A woman is passed out behind the wheel. The doors are locked. And when her mother finally shows up, she's not calling for help. She's trying to get her daughter inside before police can finish their investigation. This is Florida, March 25th, 2024. A passing driver had already swerved off the road just to avoid hitting this car. Officers arrive to a locked vehicle and a woman who won't wake up. What starts as a welfare check is about to become something else entirely.
Police department. It's the police. Wake up. Wake up.
Bravo 418, signal 77.
Police, wake up.
2-4.
Check that door over there. Ma'am. Wake up. Wake up. Hello. Hey, they said that she's parked here every day, or this vehicle's parked here almost every day, so I'm thinking she lives at one of these two places. They think it's maybe this one, 4 South. Hello? Wake up! Wake up!
Bravo 512 signal 77. Bravo 502 signal 77.
02-10-4, reports.
Reports.
Does she have any medical problems?
Yeah, what's wrong?
She's not waking up, so.
She had a seizure. She could be having one? Nah. Excuse me. Hey, baby. Brittany.
Do you have keys to the car?
I do not. I can tell AAA
42-4.
though. Brittany.
Well, she's having a medical emergency, man. We probably need to get to her.
Reference to my ticket. You can clear me.
She's breathing fine.
1098, code 1, code 3, and code
Okay, I'll deal with this.
1098, code 1, 3, and 8.
Let me get my phone real quick. Let me get my dog. Come on, Crystal.
What normally happens when she has a seizure? She's either spilt something on herself or she's... Well, I don't see. Yeah, she did. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! There we go. Open the door!
Brittany. Baby, come on.
Sure she's not intoxicated?
No. Brittany. Hey, baby.
Mom says she has history of seizures, but apparently she opened her eyes and flicked off the complainant, so I don't know that she's having a seizure tonight.
Hey, baby. Hey, bring me my insurance card so I can have them open the door. Or bring me yours.
Ma'am, AAA is going to take like 3 hours to get here. There's no way that's going to be an option. We're going to need to break the window or something.
If she's having a seizure,
No,
or
she's
if she
not.
has
She's
a
not.
medical history, we can
Bring me the card
have
now.
a
They'll be here
break-in
right away.
kit.
It's in my console in the car.
Yeah, I think we have one in
Drive.
control, but I think Mom's covering for it.
Okay.
Brittany. Who called you?
Somebody calls concerned about her.
Hey. Britt, it's Mom. It's Mom. Hey, baby.
Open the door.
Let me in, baby. Let me in, sweetie.
Apparently she almost crashed into somebody on the way here, so.
Brittany. Open the door, baby. Hey. Hey, baby. Come on. Thank you, sweetie. She opened it. Forget it. Thanks, Seth. Hey, sweetie. Hey, turn it off.
To our community, you'll hear about it on the Black
Please turn off the car.
Network.
Did you have a seizure? Are you okay? Let's get inside. Let's go inside. Get your meds.
let's go inside.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Where's your purse?
Fuck you.
Ma'am, you can back away. I can talk to her now.
Let's
Man.
go in the house, baby.
What's going on tonight?
What is?
I don't know. You tell me.
You tell me.
Everything okay?
Is everything okay?
I don't know. What's going on tonight?
You tell me.
You seem like you're very intoxicated.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
That's so cute for you.
Okay. Can you step out of the car for me?
I would not.
You don't want to step out of the car?
I would not.
Why not?
Because you're asking me to.
So I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the vehicle and you're refusing to? Is that what you're telling me?
Absolutely.
Okay. We can do this one of two ways. You can
Yeah,
get out of the car
let's go
voluntarily or
there.
I can take you out of
Let's
the car.
fucking go there.
Brittany, let's just go in the house, sweetie. You're home. Let's go.
Where's your keys at?
You fucking kidding.
Where's your keys to the car? Are they in the car?
Stop. Do not reach in my car. Stop. Do not touch
Harassing
me.
my daughter.
Do not touch me.
ask you to step back, please.
Do not touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch
Asking
me.
you not to
Do
touch
not touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me. Do not
Ma'am, get out of the
touch
car.
me.
Which
I'm asking you to get out of the car. I'm a police
been here a
officer.
Do not touch
You need to
me.
get out of the vehicle, okay?
Do not touch me.
so he needs to
That's
do
not an option, ma'am. I can touch you if you refuse to do what I ask you to
No, that's not an option for you. Don't touch me.
do. You need to get out of the car.
Don't touch
Come on.
me.
Come on.
Do not touch me.
Britt,
Either you get out of the car or I'm going to throw you on the ground. I don't
no,
want to
you're
do
not. I will so sue your ass.
Ma'am, I'm giving her a lawful order to get out of the vehicle. She's refused. That's resisting.
Do not fucking touch me.
I am stepping.
Get out of the
No, I
car.
need to
No,
step
I'm
back.
Do
gonna-
not touch
You
me.
can go to jail for
You're
obstruction
fine.
too, ma'am.
Record from over here, please.
Do not
Ma'am.
touch
You can record
me.
from back here.
Get out of the car.
Do not touch me.
Get out of the car. Let's go. Come on.
702 and 182 on your single 77.
Ma'am,
Do not touch me.
get out of the car. I'm asking you nicely to get out of the vehicle, okay?
Do not
There you go.
touch
Okay.
me. Do not touch
All
me.
right.
Okay, leave her alone. Okay, you're both going down. She can go to her house.
She just put her hands on me, man.
You put your
I
hands
keep on putting my hands
Yeah,
on you.
because I'm asking her to get out of the car.
I put my hands on you.
Well, that's not how this
Just
works, ma'am.
relax.
Sorry.
I'm alright.
Okay, good. That's where you need to stay.
She can go to jail tonight, then. She's intoxicated. You know she is. That's why you came out here trying to get her inside.
Bitch, fucking please.
Let's go.
The fuck off.
You have anything on you, ma'am?
Are you fucking serious here? Or are you fucking put your hands on me?
Yeah, I asked you to get out of the car multiple times. You refused to do so.
You already had put your hands on me. You already know.
All right, let's go.
Fuck you.
Have a seat. We'll do it your way. Go ahead, kick me, get more a felony
No, I'm
charge.
trying to get in here, asshole.
Put your foot in.
It's already in. Go ahead. Try.
Can we give your property to your mom? Perfect.
She'll be on the island, correct?
She'll be out of county jail. You want me to give all your property to your mom?
Excuse me?
You want me to give all your property to your mother?
Can I talk to my mom?
Probably not.
So what's the point?
You want your property to go to your mom?
What property?
Property in your vehicle?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
You don't have the key, right?
It was running when I got here, but let's leave it open for now. I'll roll the window down. Give me just a second.
It should be.
I'll keep looking.
If not, it's somewhere in there.
Okay, I'll find it. I'll see you in the morning.
Don't worry about it.
How does the vehicle normally
I got
run?
it in the back pocket.
Is that her purse?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. You understand why she's going to jail tonight?
Because your guys are a bunch of dicks.
Okay, hold on a second. I'm trying to explain it to you. If you want to walk away, I can try to explain it to you. Okay, she almost crashed into a vehicle. Complainant called us. They had to swerve off the road to get to her. They find her here in a heavy stupor where she's not responding. So they call us. They flick her off, tell her to go away, basically. So we get here, try to wake her up. She's obviously impaired. I tried to get her out of the car to conduct a DUI investigation, and she refuses. So that's obstruction in the state of Florida. Okay, obviously she's got a problem. Correct?
No.
Okay. She lives here, doesn't she?
Yes, she
She's
does.
never been intoxicated before?
No.
Okay.
Not like that.
Okay. Well, that's the reason. If she'd got out of the car and she wouldn't I wouldn't have had to forcibly take her out of the car, she'd have voluntarily got out of the car like I asked. Gave her a lawful order to get out of the vehicle and she refused. I'm just so you're aware of what's going on.
Fuck you.
All right, go and step out for me.
Why would I?
Because I'm asking you to. We're here.
That means something to me?
You're under arrest right now. You want to step out for me?
For what?
Right now, obstruction. Come on.
Obstruction of what?
Because I gave you a lawful order to get out of your vehicle and you refused. Come on.
And for what?
Come on. We'll talk about it. Come on out here.
No, I told
You're being
you
unreasonable.
not. Why am I getting? Why? Why?
Come on, I'll explain everything to you out here. Come on.
No, why?
Ma'am, you're in my police
Don't
car.
fucking talk. Don't touch me.
Ma'am, you're in my
Do
police
not
car.
touch me. I understand that, and
You're
I'm
under
telling
arrest.
you, do not touch me.
Well, then step out of the vehicle. I won't have to. Come on.
Please don't touch me like that.
I'm holding you so you don't fall down, ma'am.
Please do not. I'm not falling down, bitch. Fucking do not talk to me
All right, here's
like
the
that.
thing. Here's the thing. All right, I'm conducting a DUI investigation,
I
okay?
understand that.
Okay.
Do not talk to
I'm
me
going to
like
request
I'm
that
a fucking
hold on.
retarded.
Okay, nobody said that. I'm going to request you perform some field sobriety exercise. Are you willing to do that?
Absolutely not.
Okay, do you understand they can be used against you? That can be used against you?
Absolutely yes.
Hold on.
But you're
Hold
not
on.
going to
Hold
use
on.
that against me at all.
Hold on. You understand that the refusal to do them, it can be used
I
against
still
you.
do.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Please do not touch me, and please get your hands off of me right now. Please get your hands off of me right
Ma'am,
now.
you're being arrested. Get out of the car.
Please get your hands off of me right now.
Come on. I'll make sure to notate that you refuse to perform the field sobriety exercises,
You're
okay?
fucking lying ass motherfucker.
Can you hold her just right here
You're
so I
lying
can take my
ass
zero
bitch,
off? Stand right there for me, okay?
You're lying
Are you military?
Do you think
Are you
so?
Are you active duty?
Do you think so?
You kept saying something about wanting to die for me and stuff, so I didn't know.
I would never die.
Okay.
Dude, make sure advance knows that it's going to have a trailer attached to the vehicle. Approximately 10 foot.
You wanna? Oh.
Please do.
Hold on. Come on. Calm down.
No, please do. Go for it.
Good for what? Looks like you've urinated all over yourself too.
Yeah. You like that?
No.
Oh, God.
You having a bad
Like a
day?
weirdo.
Weird. Just pointing out observations, man.
Oh, I know you are.
All right.
By this point, officers have already given a lawful order to get out of the car. She's refused it repeatedly. In Florida, that refusal isn't just attitude. Under Florida statute 843.02, refusing a lawful order during an active investigation is its own crime, resisting an officer without violence. Separate from whatever the DUI charge becomes. Her mother didn't help. Reaching toward the car telling officers not to touch her daughter, that's not protection. That's obstruction with extra steps. She's also asked to perform field sobriety exercises. She refuses that too. Officers make sure she understands what that means before she answers. One decision, then another. Each one making the case stronger, not weaker. Refusing the test doesn't erase what officers already saw. Under Florida's implied consent law, a refusal can still be used against her, and officers can testify to everything they observed without it, the impairment, the behavior, the struggle. So she loses the chance to prove she was fine, and gains nothing in return. By the end of the stop, she's charged with 2 things: driving under the influence and resisting an officer without violence. The case ended in a conviction, 12 months of probation, mandatory DUI school, fines and court costs. That outcome matters. It confirms this was never just a sleepy driver or an overprotective mom. It was a DUI made worse by a decision to fight it instead of comply. Let's grade this one. Officers first. The officers get a B+. They gave clear, repeated instructions before ever laying a hand on her. They explained the obstruction charge in real time, not after the fact. Under Florida law, an officer only needs a lawful basis to order someone out of a vehicle during a DUI stop. They had it, and they used it correctly. The only critique, patience wore thin near the end, and it showed. The daughter gets an F. She was unconscious behind the wheel of a running car. She fought a lawful order. She refused testing she was warned would be used against her anyway. Every choice she made turned a DUI into a bigger case. There's a right to remain silent. There's no right to physically resist. The mother gets an F too. She didn't ask if her daughter was safe. She asked how fast she could get her inside. She reached into an active investigation, undermined a lawful order, and treated concern for her daughter's condition like an attack on her family. A parent can ask questions and record, but can't physically interfere with a lawful arrest. She crossed that line. Here's the lesson. Loving someone through a crisis doesn't mean covering for them. Sometimes it means stepping back and letting the consequence land, because the alternative is watching it get worse. If you want more body cam footage, the moments people don't expect to end up on camera, hit subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. What do you think should happen to a parent who interferes like this? We'll see you in the next one.